preceding activity will be oath taking of allegiance. May we request the Secretary of National Defense, the Honorable Secretary of the Minister of Remote Taking for the I state your name. Presiding at state your residence. Do solemnly swear. That I support and defend the Constitution. To the Republic of the Philippines. And obey the laws and local orders. Promulgated by the duly constituted. And hereby declare that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of religion. Congratulations. Please give your colleagues tickets right now.
Got. Yeah.
The chairman of the DND Amnesty Committee and the Secretary Honorio Estrella, the Chief of Staff for our Armed Forces, General Dave Owen Jr., our Chief Chaplain, Brigadier General Castro, senior officers of the Armed Forces, the subject and beneficiaries for whom we dedicate this administration of oath ceremony this morning, our amnesty grantees, officers, men and women, civilian employees of our Defense Department and Armed Forces, fellow workers in government, my fellow citizens of the Republic ladies and gentlemen. Today we write a new page in our country's history. Now is the time for renewal of our faith in our democratic system. By the genuine indulgence of our amnesty grantees, we have now healed the wounds of constitutional protection. As they have renewed their pledge of allegiance to our basic law of the land, they have now readily accepted to once again become patriotic citizens of our republic. Thus, they have now willfully imposed upon themselves the inherent duties and responsibilities of law-abiding nationals as required by our social contract between the government and the governed. Now is the time to forget and forgive. We have crossed the river and burned the bridge before us, so to speak. There is no turning back. We are now bound by our common duty to unite and resume our choice for the security, stability, and well-being of our republic. Let me therefore convey our warmest congratulations to all our amnesty grantees as you now begin to perform your inherent duties and obligations as genuine citizens of the Republic of the Philippines. To our amnesty grantees, by your free will, you are now with us and among us as legitimate citizens of the Republic of the Philippines. Thank you and blessed day to all.
Kasi yun ang live. Dapat na kami nakaibig. Dapat.
Plus yung mga ginagawa natin mga reforma sa armed forces ay mawawala na yung mga yung kanilang mga complaint.
Kumpiyansa po ba kayo na yung administrasyong Aquino hindi niya haharapin yung mga hinarap ng Arroyo administration noon ng
Malaking kumpiyansa ko. Kumpiyansa.
Formal reintegration ng mga AP, sir. Na-reintegrate na sila formal.
Ang ma-integrate dyan, yung mga rangkong from PFC up to technical sergeant. Yung master sergeant ay hindi.
Kailan kaya sila makakabalik, sir?
As soon as possible, mga administrative requirements na lang ay naharap yan.
Sir, yung one more thing, sir. Yung kinadaling, sir, I believe, sir, na parang may dinilit silang portion tungkol dun sa admission of guilt.
And then inulit naman nila yung kanilang pag-fill up. They went through yung normal process. Hindi.
sir yung paragraph
Oh.
na.
Nandun ulit.
So wala, ano, possibility pa rin
Wala nang, sa tingin ko, walang problema. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Ben?